Come on. Wanna get your brain break now? Give Ate.
We're buying today for yesterday.
Okay, give Ate a cuddle.
I see you every day.
Bit-bit ng flashlight man si Inday. Oy. Come on, let's go. Go take Ate to her classroom. You go inside, okay? I'm gonna put your bag. Love you, Ate. Give them a kiss.
Mama,
Love you. See you soon, okay?
Mama, I got kicked out of the really at the
Come on. Come on, Apata. Let's go. It's very humid today. Kasi it's been raining all night. Tapos lumalabas na si Haring Araw. Ngayon guys, oh my god, it feels so hot. Ang adik sa apata-pata. You have to eat now, Louie. You must be really hungry. Ang ating Louie boy ay being fussy with his food. Come up. Ayan, oh. Hindi niyo siya kita. Hindi mo kita. Say hi! Very fussy sa kanyang food, guys. Hindi siya kumain ng kanyang breakfast. Eh, ikaw din naman ang mag-ano. Wala kang pagkain. Tumagal ko na lang sa'yo. Say here! Here! Say, hi, guys! Hindi ko na malayan yung oras. Pipick upin na naman natin ang ating Ate Paris very soon. But before tayo umalis, nire-ready ko lang itong nabenta natin online, guys. So, we sold a couple of items. First item is this Gianni Versace na necktie. Hindi ko na lang i-open kasi na-close ko na eh. Yan siya. Ganda yung kanyang print. Yan yung mga medusa. And then, the next one is this Hermes Burn wallet. Red yung kanyang kulay. Hindi ko na ilalabas kasi napasok ko na. Ayoko na namang yung pagpapak. Ayan. So, for some reason, may mga issue kasi nabenta ko to siya sa eBay. So, sa eBay kasi guys, you can get a postage label from the website nila. Tapos, i-deduct lang nila sa yung sales mo. But, it's playing up at the moment. Kapag nilalagay ko ganito, kapag ganyan, hindi man makita. Get postage label sa baba. Pag pinupush ko yan, says like something wrong, try again later. And it was like that, a couple of days ago as well. So sabi ko na, I'm not gonna waste time on that one. So yung gagawin ko na lang is, since meron naman akong mga label na dito, tapos meron na akong sachets, ganyan. So, pangalan, and then I'll just drop it sa post office, pay for the postage fee, and voila, that's it. So, we'll do it after Ate Paris's school. Pick upin natin siya. I think yung bumili nitong necktie is Filipino. Yung apelyido niya ba? Very Filo. Ayan, oh, pilis-pilis lang. Oops, Daisy. Ganyan. Pasok na. And then, ito, dikit. Let's see. For some reason, guys, I really love packing. Na-enjoy ko. Mag-pack ng orders. Hindi ko siguro, ano ba, dahil... I don't think, dahil lang kasi, may sale. Ibig sabihin, may sale. Parang, ko talaga. Like, enjoy na enjoy ko lang talaga. Okay, so that's done. And then, this wallet is going to... okay. So, because it's, guys, luxury item, it's Hermes. And, yung pricing is, medyo mataas. It's under eBay's authenticity guarantee. So, it means, hindi ko makikita yung address ni buyer. Kasi, pupunta muna to siya sa, parang office nila sa Sydney for checking. Like for yung kung nag-coincide ba yung description ko sa wallet, and also check nila yung authenticity. So it's really really good. Peace of mind ng buyer ba. So yung necktie is going to Melbourne. Ito siya, Sydney. Ayan. And speaking of purchasing from eBay, meron akong i-reveal sa inyo. Bagong new to me handbag ni mama nyo. Late kong binili para sa birthday ko. Pakita ko sa inyo. Dumating kahapon, introducing my Speedy 30 monogram. Look. So, ito yung sinasabi ko kapag bibili kayo sa eBay. Ito siya sa eBay ko binili, obviously. So, pagka-deliver sa kanya, hindi ko pa siya tinanggal. Ayan. Ganyan siya darating sa inyo. Meron siyang certificate or ano siya? Yung card ba? Here's to your new luxury piece. You've got great taste. Okay. We're thrilled to deliver this luxury item along with our guarantee that it's authentic. Your new purchase has been meticulously inspected by experts with brand and category knowledge. So you know that you got the real deal. Carry it with confidence. Yan, ganun. So, ganyan siya. eBay Authenticity Guarantee. So, yung wallet natin na Hermes, pag-deliver yun sa customer after i-check and everything, ganito din siya, guys. Meron siyang ganyan. But look! I am so excited. Hindi ko pa siya natanggal. So, it means hindi ko pa siya nagamit. Kasi kahapon pa lang siya dumating eh. I'm very, very happy to add this to my collection, guys. My God. So, this style, or this collection, yung monogram, it's around like 2011, I think. Check natin yung date code mamaya. But yes, alam nyo ba, sobrang ganda ng kanyang kondisyon. Kaya napabili ako sa kanya kasi napakaganda pa talaga. Tingnan nyo, oh. Ang kanyang, ano tawag dito, glazing dyan. Walang crack, there's no scratches or anything. Napakaganda talaga. Although, ito siya sa harapan, guys. Ito siya ay initial. Kasi kapag bumili ka ng bag na to, palagyan mo ng ng initial mo. So, initial to ng may-ari. But then, sabi ko sa sarili ko, wala namang magtatanong kung ano yung 80, kung ako yung magdadala. So, I don't really mind. And if ever man na hindi ako nababother talaga, but if ever dumating yung panahon, apparently meron siyang way para i-remove, and I can always put my initial there. But you'll never know. I might sell again. Yes, baby girl. What's going on? Because I'm like that, I buy and sell, and I bought this for myself, but you'll never know later on down the road. I might realize na hindi ko siya ginagamit kasi yun yung ginagawa ko, guys. Pag bumibili ako ng something at napansin ko na hindi ko siya ginagamit. Nililet go ko siya kasi it's not worth it. But yeah, this one, since nabenta ko yung aking Speedy na isa na perforated, sabi ko, I will get another Speedy. So, ayan, ganyan siya, oh. See, corners niya, sobrang ganda. Yan, walang mga kanis-nis-nis-nisan dyan. And the hardware, oh, sobrang shiny pa, diba? Kinang-kinang pa. Also comes with the lock and key, which is a plus. Ganyan siya. Kailan ko kaya ito magagamit? And then, sa loob, napakalinis. Parang brand new talaga, guys. I keep this inside my bag para ma-keep yung shape. Are you okay, Pranda? So, pagka-deliver, may kasama siyang dust bag. Meron siyang Louis Vuitton na dust bag, ganyan. Laki-laki pa nito. Ayan, oh. Dust bag, yeah, Louis Vuitton. And it also comes with an eBay dust bag. Ganyan siya, oh. And then inside, walang bahid ng kasalanan. Napakalinis niya, guys. Grabe. Now, let's look at the date code. Oh, yeah. So, the date code is DU2151. And that means it's made in DU, I believe it's France. So, it's made in France on the 25th week of 2011. So, ayan. So, 2011, itong bag na to, it's now 2024. So, it's been, my goodness, 13 years. 13 years old bag. Pero tingnan nyo naman. So, inside, meron pa siyang booklet. At dito, malalaman mo guys, ayan. So, Monogram. So, that is the name of the collection. Sobrang cute niya, oh. Ayan yung kanyang booklet. So, yung Monogram, change nila to My LV Heritage. I think 2022, something like that, if I'm not mistaken. Ayan, na-change na siya. Hindi na siya Monogram. My LV Heritage na yung pangalan niya. And then, ayan. Meron siyang kasamang ganyan. And it comes with the keys. Ayan siya. Napakaganda naman talaga. Ayan, so you can wear it like this. Just wear it like handbag, ganyan. Ayan. Tingnan nyo ang kanyang handle. It's super linis. Ayan. You okay, Palingling? Okay.
I'm not done with it.
I wish I could go back to the very first day I
saw you.
should've made a move when you looked
In my eyes. Mom, first you saying you freeze.
Huh?
First you saying you freeze.
You freeze?
Yeah.
Me?
Yeah.
What do you mean I freeze?
You didn't freeze.
Oh.
A few moments later.
That one.
That's petrol.
I like petrol.
Okay. Well, you wanna stay inside? Mama's gonna put petrol, okay? Today's full time.
I get this. Okay. He's attempting to walk. Look, look, look.
Lahat na nakikita ni Celine, I'll get this for Christmas. Oh my
Oh,
god.
maybe I have to put batteries.
Yeah, you have to.
It walks. That's why it walks.
Do you know this number? What's this number? What's that number?
Look at that one.
This one. What's that number?
I don't know.
This.
Can you tell me?
Guess.
Oh, you tell
This
me.
one.
Tell me.
It's number 9.
Number 9.
That's right, yeah.
Mom,
Stand on.
it says, it's, I I'll get them for Christmas.
See? I'll get them for Christmas. Lahat na lang I'll get them for Christmas.
Mama,
Mm.
you know I'm getting that for Christmas too. Mama, you know I show them that this dog is. I showed it.
You already did.
I showed it. Look, I got the dog. What's
Sabi niya sa kanya daw
this
yan.
number?
Ito kay
Mama,
Ate
what
Paris
is
niya.
this?
That's a dollar sign.
And what is this?
9,
And what's this?
9,
And this?
5.
Yes.
It's $9.95.
That says it's Christmas.
Mm-hmm.
That says it's from Santa.
That's not bad. Oh, gift pack. $22.
Mama,
Not na yan.
this is the other two Santa if I can have the Sonati.
Mm-hmm.
That's why I can
Well,
Count them.
you have to be a.
cook girl.
That's right.
Mom, I'll get all the dogs course. I will name them.
Mm-hmm.
That's how I'll name them.
You're gonna name the doggy?
Yeah, mommy and Auntie too.
Okay.
I'll get this for Christmas.
We will, okay?
Mom, this is cute. Get this for Christmas.
Oh my god.
I'm gonna play this.
Where are we, Lini?
Dana.
Napakainit ng panahon. So, nag-drive-thru kami ni Celine sa McDonald's. We're next in line. Our turn.
Celine.
There's that one. Thank you.
That's the one.
Oh, look at the Christmas Happy Meal box now. There you go. But I'll give you water first.
Mom, this is Christmas.
I know, but I'll give you water first, okay? Before you eat that.
Oh, my shoe.
It's okay.
Where's the water? Oh,
I have
Mom,
it.
give me my water. Mom, give me my water.
Oh, well, just give me a second. Let me pop.
Mom, do you have juice?
Mm-hmm. Oh my god, it's so hot.
Maybe
It's so hot. It's at Paris's Jiu-Jitsu time. Yan, so pagka-pick up namin sa kanya, diretsyo na kami dito. So sasakyan na siya nagbihis. Panini, show me what you've got me. What is that?
Elfie.
Elfie. Yeah, do you know how to sign it? Okay.
Mama? Don't we tie the color stripe you have to get?
Yes.
To get a belt?
To get a gray belt.
Yeah. You have to get another belt color. You have to get 4 whites and 1 red, or 4 reds and 1 white.
Ah, okay. Well, you already have 1 white.
So I would rather get 4 whites or 4 reds.
Okay.
You have to pretend to carry me, and I'll move. And then you have to put me over there. And you have to say bye. No, I can't carry you too. Okay, just push me.
Daddy Mike natin guys ay sa office nag-work today. And kanina pa namin siya hinihintay doon. Medyo late siya guys. So sabi niya, punta na lang kayo doon sa mag-order kayo ng bulalo. So ayan, nandito tayo ngayon sa ating Hia Cafe and Restaurant. Ayan. Filipino, guys. Filipina. Hi! Look at the madam. Hi, Nick. Hi, how are you? Are you? Oh my, iba rin. Ayan. Are you making a new one?
No, it's the one there, but we are putting like updating.
Ah, okay. Yeah. Good. Yan, dito tayo maghapunan, guys. How are you? Hi sa Nick, sa akong vlog. Ah! Nick is Bisaya to, guys, from Davao ba? Oo. Ay, diba? Ulit sa itong pa... Kabalo naman guys siguro sa...
I will follow the
Follow me, please subscribe. No bashing, just for fun. I think, kabalo naman ko sa coordinator, no? Bulalo, and sa pork barbecue, 3 man to sila, no?
3 pieces with rice.
With rice, yeah. Salamat.
Hindi ka maka... Dito yung buhay niya.
Hi sa akong vlog ko eh. Ay, artista. Look. Mas lang eh. Ready? Oh. Can't move your... Smile, Nick! Smile!
Ano ka anak eh?
Wow, Bulalo is here. Oh my God. Thank you, Nick. Look at this.
You're eating anything tonight? I gotta feed the cat soon.
Yeah.
I gotta feed my cat.
There's my cat. Me.